Good morning! Are you planning next vacation in the city? Then maybe this video is for you. We stayed last holiday at H2O Hotel. This is just behind the Manila Ocean Park. We're from the south, inagahan talaga naming umalis, kaya naman 10:30 pa lang nandito na kami. We come early dahil mag-Ocean Park muna talaga kami while waiting for the check-in time. And as usual, 2 p.m. ang kanilang check-in time and medyo strict sila doon. Nasa 3rd floor ang kanilang main lobby, kaya kailangan pa naming sumakay ng elevator to get there. Time check, 2:30 p.m. na at tapos na rin kaming makapag-explore sa Ocean Park. Perfect timing din na ready na ang room, pwede na kami mag-check-in and medyo pagod na rin ang mga bata. Kaya tara, room tour na tayo! By the way, we booked a deluxe queen aqua room with a large bed and itong huge na aquarium inside. Nag-request din pala ako ng extra bed. Ito naman ang kanilang coffee